Kenya's wild beauty unfolds like a timeless story, painted with golden hues and breathtaking landscapes. From the vast plains of the Maasai Mara to the towering presence of Mount Kilimanjaro, this cinematic journey captures the heart of Africa's wilderness in majestic slow motion and sweeping aerial views. As dawn breaks over the Mara, the sky ignites in fiery gold. A majestic lion emerges, silhouetted against the rising sun, embodying the spirit of the wild. This moment, captured in slow motion, reveals the raw power and grace that define Kenya's iconic wildlife. Across the savanna, herds of elephants move with steady purpose, their massive forms casting long shadows. Nearby, the great wildebeest migration pulses with life, a timeless spectacle of survival and endurance that draws awe from all who witness it. Mount Kilimanjaro stands proud, its snow-capped peak a silent guardian over Amboseli's plains. Here, elephants graze peacefully, their presence a testament to the enduring wildness of this remarkable landscape. At dawn, a hot air balloon drifts gently over the Mara, offering an epic aerial view bathed in golden light. This serene flight reveals the vastness and majesty of Kenya's wild heart like never before.